The Federal Emergency Management Agency has paid out around $85 million in funeral expenses to families who lost loved ones to the coronavirus. But this program is out of reach for many because of death certificates that do not mention COVID-19. Manuel Bojorquez spoke to one Florida family navigating the red tape.
He was full of life. He
Yes.
has more energy than me.
And me too.
I did not expect that at all.
Alexandra Henau's father, Ricardo Zamudio, died last year from COVID-19. And that's the cause listed on his death certificate. So she's eligible for up to $9,000 in FEMA funeral assistance, a big help for these working parents.
For us, financial-wise, it'll be a good help, but at the same time, money don't mean anything. We honestly wish we had our parents back,
Of course.
more than anything.
Oscar Henau's father, Oscar Sr., died 6 months later at 82.
The day before he died, I had the opportunity to actually hold him, see him, kiss him, and thank him for everything he has done.
They say he died from COVID-19 after testing positive weeks before his death.
He was COVID-19, but it wasn't on the death certificate.
What happened there?
Honestly, I didn't know what happened because when the funeral home asked us, what he died from, they verified it, everything was, COVID-19, but it wasn't placed on the death certificate.
FEMA's $2 billion assistance program is the largest of its kind in the nation's history. But eligibility is strictly limited to loved ones who present death certificates stating the death was caused by, may have been caused by, or was likely a result of COVID-19.
It is a process, and in that process, one step is to make sure that COVID-19 is mentioned on the death certificate.
Mark Pansiera, a partner at Boyd Pansiera Family Funeral Care, has been guiding families through the FEMA process, including helping to amend death certificates.
Your part could be considered done here, but some families are still coming back to you to say, hey, can we get a little more help?
This just adds another element in it, and we want to be that guide on the side, if you will, for the family.
Earlier this month, FEMA Administrator Deanne Criswell told CBS News that the process is intentionally rigorous to protect against fraud.
We've put controls in place to make sure that we can identify that and try to reduce any potential opportunities for people to take advantage of that program when they shouldn't be.
The Henaus have had the certificate amended, and FEMA is reviewing their application. This could especially be a problem for those whose loved ones died early on in the pandemic when testing was insufficient or doctors did not know to list COVID-19 as a cause. FEMA says, as with any new program, it continues to review and update its policy for any changes that need to be made.
We hope everyone who deserves that money gets it. That was Manuel Bojorquez reporting for us. Manny, thank you very much.